This is a Hoover Model 300. I've been meaning to make a video of it for a while. It's from 1945 and I got it in what you would call a junk shop. Not the same junk shop that I got that Corby in, but it was like another one. It was in the back of the back of a dusty corner of it. This light is a CFL, so it's still warming up, as the CFLs do. You see, there's the Hoover cleaner right there. It says the Hoover cleaner right there. Let me give you a look at the back of it. I'll show you the bottom. You see the fan in there. This is the data plate. A little Hoover cleaner makes eggs last longer. This was Hoover's bottom of the line vacuum cleaner. It cost exactly $49.75 when it was new. I'm going to plug it in and give you a demonstration. Well, I plugged in, and I did have to replace the cord. Because it had its original cord, but it was so watered out and disintegrated, and it had been wrapped around here for so long that it actually took the shape of the cord handle. This is my oldest electronic vacuum cleaner. The oldest vacuum I have would be this one right here from 1911. This here looks Silverado, and there's my Corby Classic 1, my Classic Omega, and my Classic 3. This is an old radio I got at a garage sale. More vacuum cleaner. And this is a Royal. This is my GE fan. This one last view of it. Okay, bye, see you in my next video.